All right, next video. Now we're going into the electrical phase. Now, you have time for diagnostic of electrical is separate from time of diagnostic from leak check. Another charge. Contact customer, say, hey, I want another hour or less. Some places are a minimum flat rate, 1 hour minimum for electrical diagnostic. We found out your controls are not working. Clutch is not coming on after it's full, but this is what I found. Okay, so this is an old ancient vehicle from back in the 80s, so we could still use 12 volts on everything. And I got really lucky. See down here, there's a break right there. You see that copper, that broken wire? Because this is old and crusty. This is supposed to be 12 volts. We got ground. We got no power. That's ground through the field coil, going through the field coil. There's supposed to be power coming from a relay over there that is coming, that gets a signal from your dash controller. So let's give it power. Now, when you own one of these, you do not put it to something and hit the trigger, because every time you put current, let me get this back to here, every time you put current across those switches and make and break, you arc and you mess up the points inside these and you damage the switch. So you give it power first. Now you have closed the contacts so you won't burn them. And now you come down and touch. There we go. Compressor came on. Compressor came on. And there we go. We are working. So that's all I wanted to see. And then I'll keep this up. I'll jump this with a jumper wire, but I wanted to see how fast I could get it up and running, just so I could show you guys. And then I have to run the rest of the test, bypassing just for testing. And still got to find out why power is not getting here. All I did was bypass. So this proves that the clutch field coil is good and the wiring from this point to the clutch is good. The problem lies upstream. Most likely a relay, possibly the switch up in the head or something up there. There's guys who do a lot of these BMWs. They know more than me because they see the pattern problems more than me. I barely see these old dogs anymore. All right, so I'll be back.